First important thing in the structure of eyeball is that this wall of eyeball, this is the wall of eyeball is made up of three layers. The outermost layer is called sclera, the middle layer is called choroid, and the innermost layer is called retina. So three layers are covering this eyeball, right? Now here it is lens of eye. This is lens, right? This lens is dividing the eye into two chambers. This is the front chamber that is in front of your lens. This is called anterior chamber, and this chamber that is just behind the lens, it is called posterior chamber or vitreous chamber. This anterior chamber is filled with a fluid that is called aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. Aqueous humor changes time to time, बदलता रहता है ये. It keeps the eyeball, it keeps the eye moist, and it also gives protection to your cornea. This is cornea, and your lens. It protects the cornea and lens. This vitreous humor, this chamber is filled with a jelly-like, very gel-like, solid सा गाढ़ा सा एक liquid है, that is called vitreous humor. This forms once in a lifetime during the embryo stage. वो कभी change नहीं होता है. Now this vitreous humor gives shape to your eyeball, and it also gives protection to your retina, right? Now let us discuss all these three layers one by one. First layer is sclera. This is fibrous layer. It is made up of fibers. In front, यहाँ पर ये आगे का हिस्सा जो हमारे को दिखाई देता है सिर्फ, in front it is transparent and it is called cornea. कॉर्निया के ऊपर एक मेम्ब्रेन है पतला सा, एपिथीलियम का लेयर है, that is called कंजक्टिवा. अगर इसमें इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है तो हम बोलते हैं कंजक्टिवाइटिस हो गया, आई फ्लू, जिसे हम आई फ्लू कहते हैं. दैट इज एनी इन्फेक्शन इन दिस epithelial membrane that is covering the cornea. This layer is called conjunctiva, so the disease is called conjunctivitis. So this sclera. Then second layer is choroid layer. Choroid layer is vascular layer. Vascular layer means there is a supply of blood in this layer. Choroid forms different parts. Like first of all, this choroid layer forms this colored portion. When you see your face in mirror, your eyes in mirror, then you will see one round colored portion in your eye. It may be black or brown. This round portion in your eye, it is like this round portion in your eye, this is called iris. Iris के बीच में ध्यान से देखेंगे तो there is one opening that is called pupil. ठीक है, light enters inside the eye through this opening called pupil. Iris has two type of muscles. एक तो muscles इसके ऐसे हैं, these are the circular muscles, and radial muscles. ये radius अगर खींचते तो these are radial muscles. So whenever we have to see in dark, these radial muscles contract, so size of pupil increases, and so that more and more light can enter inside the eye. And whenever we want to see in bright light, then these circular muscles contract and the size of pupil reduces. Okay, so in this way this iris controls the size of pupil. So function of iris is that it controls the size of pupil, and pupil is an opening through which light enters inside your eye, and this iris and pupil, these are the part of choroid. Then lens. Lens is also made up of choroid layer. Choroid layer forms lens. Lens is biconvex in shape. जैसे जेम्स खाते हैं, जेम्स की शेप होती है biconvex in shape, and it is flexible also. Flexible छोटा बड़ा हो सकता है साइज में. अब ये लेंस कैसे फिक्स है अपनी पोजीशन पर? दिस कोरोइड लेयर हैज हियर सीलियरी बॉडी. एक सीलियरी बॉडी यहाँ है, एक सीलियरी बॉडी यहाँ है, ठीक है। यहाँ से सीलियरी लिगामेंट्स निकल रहे हैं जिनको सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट्स भी बोलते हैं। These suspensory ligaments hold the lens in its position, ठीक है, okay. So this iris, pupil, lens all are the part of choroid.